In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to clear junk files and make your computer run 2 or more times faster than usual. This is essential for maintaining optimal performance and stability. Over time, files like temporary data, cache, and unused applications accumulate, consuming valuable disk space and slowing down your system. To clear junk, simply head to your search bar, type in run. In this mini box, type temp and press on OK. You will see all junk files right here. To clear them, click right here to select all. Then press the Shift plus Delete key. They will get cleared successfully. Get back to your search bar to select Run. Type in this command called Clean Manager. Then press OK. Select all these unwanted files to clean up your local disk. Click on OK to complete the process. Regularly removing these files not only frees up storage space but also enhances system stability, reduces the risk of errors, and can significantly improve boot times, ensuring your computer runs smoothly and efficiently. That's how easy it is to clean up all junk on your Windows 11 device. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.